Hey guys, what is up? It is Jessica. Dude, I haven't talked to you guys in like 6 days. Oh my freaking god. I've been dying. I'm gonna tell you my story of why I haven't made a video in 6 days. Let's see, so 6 days ago. Today's Monday, Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. I'm pretty sure I made one Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday, I had dance and I wasn't getting home until like 10 o'clock. Thursday, I was with Tavia until like 10 o'clock and we had to drop her off too, so I didn't get home until like 10:30. Let's see what else. Oh, Friday, I was at Tavia's. She doesn't have like good Wi-Fi or anything, so I couldn't upload it there. And so, hence, I couldn't upload a video. My hair's being gay. Okay. Saturday, I was at Tavia's. And I went up to, the ski... Shit, my belly button. I went up to the ski resort with Tavia, and we went to go get our snowboards. So that's why. The hell. Sunday, it's at Tavia's. And I was busy. Today's Tatum's day, but I was like, hey Tatum, you know, I haven't talked to these people in 6 days. I miss them so much. I want to talk to them. And so she was like, I was like, yo dude, yeah, can I make the video today? And she was like, oh yeah. And I was like, oh yeah. And now I'm talking to you like a complete idiot. Yeah. I want some ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, y'all scream for ice cream. I was really hyper. I have a speaking assessment in Spanish tomorrow. I'm totally gonna fail. So what we have to do, I'm gonna explain it to you. So we have to pretend that we're ordering food in a restaurant. So I'll translate everything for you. But so the first person that's gonna say something is the the waiter. And then the second person is like the person that's ordering the food, if that makes any sense to you. So like the waiter would be like bienvenidos, which is welcome. And then the person that's ordering would be like hola, which is hi. And then the waiter would be like que desea tomar, which is what do you want to drink? And the orderer person would say either yo quisiera, me gustaría, or para mí. So yo quisiera and me gustaría mean the same thing. It says I would like. And then para mí means for me. So you'd say like me gust or like yo quisiera agua, por favor, which is I would like water, please. And then the chef would be like aquí tiene usted agua, which is here is your drink, or like here is your water. And then you would be like muchas gracias, which is thank you very much. And then the chef would be like que desea comer, which is what do you want to drink, or eat. What do you want to eat? And you'd be like, it's the same thing, like yo quisiera, me gustaría para mí. I already told you what you meant. So you'd be like me gustaría pollo, por favor, which is I would like chicken, please. And then they would be like aquí tiene usted pollo, which is here's your chicken. And you'd be like gracias, which is thank you. And then they would be like hold on. I'm trying to figure something out. out. I can't even speak. Oh, you'd be like, and then the chef would be like, "Como es la comida? How's the food?" And you'd be like, "Está delicioso," which means the food's delicious. And then they'd be like, "Algo más," which is anything else. And you'd be like, "Sí." Sí cuenta. Yes, the bill. Yeah. And I have to, like, act it out and everything. I'm just so pooped. Just poopy in the doopy. My teeth look so yellow on this. I promise they're white. I promise. Because if we go in the bathroom, they're going to be white. Let's go in the bathroom because the bathroom's better lighting. Huh. It got dark. Why do they look yellow? They're definitely white. In my point of view, they are definitely white. Okay. Oh, my belly button hurts, you guys. Because you know I got my belly button pierced, but like, I don't know, stings or something. Look really bad. I'm gonna have to clean it with some more alcohol. Excuse-moi. But anyway, I am going to go. I will see you guys tomorrow. That was so cute. Let's see. Tomorrow's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm gonna do Tatum Friday anyway because we have skimboard. But yeah, I'll see you guys Thursday. Or I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday. Okay, love you.